I've been deceived by the likes of thieves who breathe bluffs. Tell me, who can I trust?
Every last one of us.
Calumny surround me on all sides. Who wanna see injustice crushed? Come on.
Every last one of us.
If I get sent up for saying too much, who's gonna break me off the back of the bus, y'all?
Every last one of
My
us.
stamina's diminished. If I can't finish, who's coming through in the clutch?
Every last one of us.
Warned from the struggle, starting to show fatigue, son. Blast on the horn of Gabriel to tell the legion. I'ma hold the line until the time of my relief come. Divine inventory supply the energy to feed from and power. Endow with that ability to reason. Allow the opportunity to choose a different lead, son. Seek to find the truth and you possess the key to freedom. And understand it's your responsibility to teach for it. Exponentially increase intelligence. We politic with activists, not asses and elephants. Rectify and edify a new central intelligence based upon dissemination of knowledge and evidence. Imagine the impact and prevalence of regiments designed to change questions to definites. The resonance is rising up in every resident. Show my brethren to be the testament. Come on, so when the clock strikes 12 and the heads rebel, who's gonna usher the rush?
Every last one of
When the
us.
state of things change and the truth is explained, who's gonna be ready to adjust, huh?
Every last one of
When the
us.
streets is overtaken by fleets of green jeeps, who's facing the influx?
Every last one
And
of
when the
us.
last shots fired at the empire, who shall emerge from the dust?
Every last one of
The
us.
vision of our mission intimidates theocracy. Apostles of revelations whose station is a mockery. Self-proclaimed authoritative vein of the prophecy. They strain when they struggle to explain the anomaly. It's our intent to re-implement modesty. Demand and self-respect be the market's hottest commodity. Regulate the wealth and decimate extreme poverty. And educate the kids with every dollar from the lottery. We about to change the mentality of old world savagery into a new reality. One where teachers and lawyers are trade salaries and liquor stores are raised to make way for art galleries. With one common thread, we weave a global tapestry. Peace will be your motto when you follow the analogy. Down from the mountains to echo throughout the valley. It's the shout of the soldiers of my cavalry. So when the system finally fall, who people gon' call on to show conduct?
Every last one of
When the
us.
new sun rises and we've all survived, who knows it's not just luck?
Every last one
See,
of
it's a
us.
kingdom that we gotta construct. Who's ready to build from the ground up?
Every last one of us.
Who's ready to commit? This is it. Your people unite and say what?
Every last one of us.